Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Michelle and welcome to another episode of Unang Math. For this episode, I will be showing and explaining how to find the number of diagonals of a polygon. Okay, first we have to define what is a diagonal. When we say diagonal, this is a line segment connecting two non-adjacent vertices of a polygon. Line segment. That means diagonal is a straight line. This is a straight line, specifically a line segment that connects two non-adjacent vertices of a polygon. Let's give an example. We have here a polygon, specifically pentagon. Pentagon has 5 vertices. Let's find out how many diagonals we can draw in this pentagon. Okay, diagonal is a line segment connecting two non-adjacent vertices. This is a vertex, and if we will draw a straight line connecting to this non-adjacent vertex, then this is a diagonal. But from this vertex, draw a straight line connecting to this adjacent vertex, then this is not a diagonal. From this vertex, draw a straight line connecting to this adjacent vertex, then this is also not a diagonal. This line and this line are just the sides of the pentagon. Diagonal is from this vertex to non-adjacent vertex. So this is another diagonal. From this vertex to this non-adjacent vertex, diagonal. This vertex to this non-adjacent vertex, another diagonal. Okay, where else? From this vertex to this non-adjacent vertex, then this is also diagonal. Okay, let's count how many diagonals this pentagon have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 diagonals. Okay, what about hexagon? Hexagon has 6 vertices. Okay, let's find out how many diagonals we can draw in a hexagon. Okay, this is a vertex. Okay, draw a straight line connecting to this non-adjacent vertex. Then this is diagonal. To this non-adjacent, these are also diagonals. Okay, what else? From this vertex, draw a straight line to this connecting to this non-adjacent, then these are also diagonals. From this vertex, draw a straight line connecting to this non-adjacent vertex, then these are diagonals. And from this vertex to this non-adjacent vertex, this is also diagonal. Okay, now, let's count how many diagonals this hexagon have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So a hexagon has 9 diagonals. If you observe, it's confusing and difficult to draw and count the diagonals. How much more if the polygon is octagon, nonagon, decagon, and other polygons? Instead of drawing and counting the diagonals, let's find a pattern on how to find the number of diagonals of a polygon. Okay, we have here these polygons: 4-gon or tetragon, 5-gon or pentagon, 6-gon or hexagon, 7-gon or heptagon. We will find a pattern on how to find the number of diagonals of a polygon. Okay, in this row is the number of diagonals that can be drawn from a single vertex. And this row is the total number of diagonals. Okay, let's find out how many diagonals can be drawn from a single vertex. Let's start with 4-gon or tetragon. tetragon has 4 vertices. Okay, how many diagonals can be drawn from a single vertex? This is a vertex and we can just draw 1 diagonal from a single vertex. What about fivegon or pentagon? So this is a vertex. Let's find out how many diagonals from a single vertex. So 1, 2. Okay, we can draw 2 diagonals from a single vertex. What about sixgon or hexagon? So 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 diagonals from a single vertex. For heptagon, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 diagonals from a single vertex. If you can observe, there is a pattern. So this is minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. The number of vertices minus 3. For fourgon or tetragon, 4 minus 3, 1. 5 minus 3 for pentagon, so 2. 6 minus 3 is 3. 7 minus 3, 4. So to find the number of diagonals that can be drawn from a single vertex, n or the number of vertices minus 3. So this is like the formula to find the number of diagonals that can be drawn from a single vertex. Okay, now, what about the total number of diagonals? For fourgon or tetragon, okay, so this is 1, 2. So we can just draw total of 2 diagonals for tetragon. What about for fivegon or pentagon? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total of 5 diagonals. For sixgon or hexagon, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total of 9 diagonals. What about sevengon? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So total of 14 diagonals. Okay, again, if you can observe, to find the total number of diagonals, there is a pattern. So the pattern is, okay, the total vertices times the number of diagonals that can be drawn from a single vertex. So for fourgon or tetragon, it's 1. So times 1 divided by 2. Okay, simplify. So this is 2, 1. So 2 times 1 is 2. So the total number of diagonals for fourgon is 2. Okay, what about for fivegon or pentagon? Okay, so this is total number of vertices is 5 times the number of diagonals can be drawn from a single vertex, 2, and divided by 2. So 5 times 1, this is 5. Total number of diagonals, 5. What about for sixgon or hexagon? Let's see. So this is 6, okay, times 3 over 2. Okay, 3 times 3, 9. Okay, for sevengon or heptagon, so that means this is 7, okay, times 4 divided by 2. Okay, simplify. Then 7 times 2, 14. That's the total number of diagonals. Okay, again, if you're going to observe, this is the pattern. So the formula would be the total number of vertices times the number of diagonals that can be drawn from a single vertex, which is n minus 3. So this is times n minus 3 divided by 2. Okay, so this is the formula. But it's not enough if we will just memorize the formula. We also need to understand what is n and why do we need to subtract 3 and divided by 2. Okay, n is the number of vertices of that polygon. Okay, why do we need to subtract 3? because this is n minus 3. Okay, we need to subtract 3 because 3 here means, remember that diagonals from vertex to non-adjacent vertex. So this is adjacent. This is also adjacent. So 2 adjacents plus the vertex itself. So 3. So minus 2 adjacents and the vertex itself. So this is 3. So that's minus 3. And why do we need to divide by 2? Okay, take a look at this example. From this vertex, we can draw a diagonal connecting to this non-adjacent vertex. And from this vertex, we can draw a diagonal connecting to this non-adjacent vertex. So it's repeated. That's why we have to divide by 2. Okay, this time, let's answer this concept check question. Okay, we are going to fill in the blanks with the appropriate answers. As I mentioned a while ago, it's not enough if we will just memorize the formula. So it's a very good point if we also understand why do we need to minus 3 and why do we need to divide by 2. Okay, let's check this question. An octagon has blank vertices, and the numbers of diagonals that can be drawn from a single vertex is blank. Therefore, the total number of diagonals is blank. Okay, octagon or 8gon. That's another name for octagon. So an octagon has 8 vertices. And the number of diagonals that can be drawn from a single vertex is, okay, so this is the number of vertices minus 3. Minus 3 here, it's because the 2 adjacent and the vertex itself. So minus 3. So 8 minus 3, then this is 5. So the number of diagonals that can be drawn from a single vertex is 5. Therefore, the total number of diagonal is, so the number of vertices times 5. Okay, so this is 8 times 5, okay, divided by 2. Okay, if we will simplify, so 4 times 5, then this is equal to 20. So the total number of diagonals is 20. Okay, now let's answer this simple activity. We're going to find the total number of diagonals in the following polygon. Okay, first is nonagon or 9gon. That means nonagon has 9 vertices, 9 sides, and 9 angles. Number 2 is dodecagon or 12gon. 12 angles, 12 vertices, 12 sides. Okay, let's start with nonagon or 9gon. So it will be the number of vertices times, this is the number of diagonals that can be drawn from a single vertex. And then we need to divide by 2. Okay, number of vertices for nonagon is 9. So this is 9. Okay, times 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. And we have to divide by 2. Okay, simplify. So this is 1, this is 3. So 9 times 3, then the total number of diagonals for nonagon is, okay, 27 diagonals. Okay, let's move on to number 2. What about for dodecagon or 12gon? So 12, okay, times 12 minus 3, that is equal to 9. So 12 times 9, then we have to divide this by 2. Okay, simplify. This is 1, 6. So 6 times 9, then we have 54 diagonals. So decagon or 12gon has 54 diagonals.